Hi, I'm Troy McClure. You may remember me from Take Out Cradle. 2 minus 3 equals -5. And Firecracker, the silent killer. Mr. McClure? Oh, hello, Bobby.
Jimmy! I'm just curious how the meat ran to my stomach.
Whoa, slow down, Jimmy. You just out mouthful. It all started here. High-tech feline. Then it counts. Right. It's time to graduate Twilight University. Beep, 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 beep. Come on, Jimmy. Let's see the killing floor. You want the name? It's not real floor. It's more than steel griffin. Loaded. So we collect and sported.